Here are 6 ways you can use the Haitian Creole word même. So the first way you can use it is to say that something is the same. So for example, the Haitian Creole phrase "Li gen même sourire papal" can mean he has the same smile as his dad. The second way you can use the Haitian Creole word même is to say the word even in situations that are unexpected or surprising. So for example, the Haitian Creole sentence "Même nan mois décembre, li kon fè chaud kek kote en Haiti" can mean even in December, it can get hot in some places in Haiti. The third way you can use the Haitian Creole word même is to say even if or even though. So for example, the Haitian Creole sentence "Même si li fè chaud en Haiti, kon gen bon ti vent" can mean even though it's hot in Haiti, there's a good breeze. The fourth way you can use the Haitian Creole word même is to say reflexive pronouns like myself, yourself, himself, and so on. So for example, the Haitian Creole phrase "Li même ki toujou ap manje" can mean he himself is always eating. But you can drive the point home even more by repeating the word même. So for example, the Haitian Creole phrase "Li même ki toujou ap manje" can mean he himself is always eating. The fifth way to use the Haitian Creole word même is to emphasize a question. So for example, in Creole, the question "Comment vous y même" can mean how are you, really? The sixth way you can use the Haitian Creole word même is to say at all in situations where something is not done or not true. So for example, the Haitian Creole sentence "Yo pare men pistache même" can mean they don't like peanuts at all. And that's all there is to it. So as you can see, you can get quite creative as to how you use the Haitian Creole word même. So definitely visit howtocreate.com, subscribe, and thanks for watching.